Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to back up all Gmail emails. Type Takeout Gmail in browser search bar. Click Google Takeout. Click Deselect All. Select Mail. Click All Mail Data Included. Select All Messages in Mail. Click OK. Click Next Step. Select Export Once. Select File Type and Size. Click Create Export. Click Download. All Gmail emails are downloaded successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.